In my last video, I compared the iPhone 12 Pro to iPhone 12 but in key specs, and here in this video, I'm going to compare iPhone 12 Pro to iPhone 12 in depth and with more details. Let's start the video. Apple has not announced these both iPhones, but there are lots of leaks that can be helpful to find which iPhone is best. According to the leaks, iPhone 12 will come in two size models, 5.4 inch and another one of 6.4 inch, which will be named iPhone 12 Max. And here is only one difference, that of the size, and all the rest specs are same. And also iPhone 12 Pro will come in two size models, one of 6.1 inch display and another one of 6.7 inch display, which will be named iPhone 12 Pro Max. But there are also difference in specs. But here in this video, I'm going to compare iPhone 12 5.4 inch iPhone to iPhone 12 Pro, not the Max version. All iPhone 12 models will have OLED screens, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max and Pro will rumored to have 120Hz ProMotion display to deliver more smoother frame rates for any type of task while it gaming or watching videos. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max will have standard 60Hz display as of the leaks. As of the CEO of Display Supply Chain consultant Rose Young said that 5.4 inch iPhone 12 is rumored to have a resolution of 2340 into 1080 pixels, and iPhone 12 Pro is rumored to have 2532 into 1170 pixels. All iPhone 12 models are expected to have Apple's all-new 5nm A14 Bionic chip. Not expected that's gonna have Apple's A14 Bionic chip. And RAM on iPhone 12 will have 4 gigs of RAM, and on iPhone 12 Pro will feature 6 gigs of RAM. Storage is same on both iPhones, base model of 128GB and another one of 256GB. There is no clear information about cameras, but iPhone 12 is expected to have 2x zoom and iPhone 12 Pro is expected to have 3x optical zoom. According to the leaks, both iPhones are expected to be 5G, and I'm going to upload separate video on this topic and also on cameras of both iPhones. Both iPhones will feature aluminum body, improved camera slickers, and smaller notch on both devices. As of my opinion, Apple should have to remove the notch on all iPhone 12 models because people need something different. And also there is the chance of iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 will come in navy blue option. That will be so great. If you need more information and details about iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, then tell me in the comments below. I will make another video on this topic. And also you can go and watch the Everything Apple Pro's video on iPhone 12 Pro. And don't forget, and please press the subscribe button and side bell icon because my channel needs you, because your one sub matters for my channel. And I am improving myself in voice over, and in few months I will come in the front of camera and I will show my face. So my name is Arun. See you in the next one. So another video is coming on this topic because video is so big, that's why I converted it into 3 parts. Sorry for this. I'm going to catch up in my next video.